Grace! Kuan, happy birthday di ay. Then kanang, I hope and pray that sa imong family kanang makanang i-bless pa ni God more. And also to you, kanang I know na nakay dreams. I know you can make it, and I know you can have it, and I know you have the will and the guts to have it. Amen. And I know that it is your special day, but every day is special day, and I pray that masipay lagi ka, trust God and have faith in Him. Amen. That's all. Representing Jessica.
Happy 18th birthday!
Hindi siya introduce.
Hi Grace. You know na. Happy 18th birthday once again, and God will bless you and more blessings to come. And then keep moving with Him. Always put God first above all things, and that's the very nindot gid ang feeling kung naa kay Ginoo. And once again, happy 18th birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday sa tanan din nga mga tipsy subscribers. Salamat kayo sa inyong pagsuporta. Happy birthday day, May Grace. Maro na siya.
Ikaw just
Ay, great ko ang message yung ate.
Sige na.
Great
Happy
win.
birthday, ate.
Kay katigawang ni mo makita na.
Ala, kasabani kang papa. Huwag kang mag-birthday, ate. Ano?
Ay, magpakuha na